We are preparing students for the highest standards in the arts and sciences. Our high school students were among the first in the region to explore artificial intelligence in their AP Biology class.
So artificial neural networks are used very commonly in today's society. It's used to program future cars, it's used in the medical field, and it's also used in forensics.
I've always had a strong interest in neuroscience, and the opportunity to work in an area of neural engineering just really kind of caught my excitement, my curiosity.
So in class, we created a class version of the artificial neural network. And what a neuron does is it sends signals from neuron to neuron, and it basically controls how your body functions. So basically that's what we try to do with the artificial neural network, is try to replicate how a neuron fires from one another to show an output.
The program that I did this summer was through the University of Washington at what's called the Center for Sensory Motor Neural Engineering.
Well, our center is really focused on connecting the human nervous system, the brain, and the different parts of the nervous system with technology. We're funded by the National Science Foundation, and the RET, or the Research Experience for Teachers program, is part of a national model of getting teachers into labs, bringing in that engineering perspective, but for the science classroom.
We were looking for a project that would be hands-on, where students would be working with electronics, and there was a very clear and simple application. We studied the nervous system and the brain anyway as part of AP Biology, so after we got done with that, we looked at how can we represent information in an artificial system, and it was a really nice segue. It carried very well from one to the other, I think.
I got to go to Larry's classroom and watch while he piloted the lesson, and I was completely just blown away by watching his AP Biology students. It was just so exciting to see something they had been working on over time, a project-based learning approach to science education, all coming together, and the lights were lighting up in the way that they needed it to.
I think this will actually help me in the future because due to this, I spent countless hours on trying to get the code perfect to work on, and I think it actually made me realize that when I put my mind to something, I could actually figure it out at the end and finish it at the end.
Science is really about understanding the world. Whenever you're exploring and just doing something that really is new, that you haven't done before, I mean, that really is the essence of what science is all about.